He hurt himself?
Yeah. What he hurt?
The place where girl.
Be careful. Grandma want to be a great grandma someday. I don't know how you did it. Bye, y'all. We're shipping y'all back to Florida. How you do it?
It's good. Put weight on it.
You'll be
Yeah, hold it.
earthquake.
Ew, somebody did fart.
I can't survive with that. Farted.
You okay?
It stinks in there.
I know. That's why. Why don't you survive your brother's fart?
You smell it now?
I farted. Whoa.
You hurt your pee-pee again?
No.
Okay. What you hurt?
The wee-wee?
Go out. Go out this way. Go out that way.
I want to go there again.